Hello, Professor Standifer. My name is Liliam Puycan, and today I'm going to talk about the discussion question week number 2, chapter 4 and chapter 5. So as an introduction, the social stratification, demographic, and subculture are critical aspects in the consumer behavior study. So to respond the question, what are some ways that generational difference and varying level of social status within the United States impact on consumer behavior? Each generation and social class can impact consumer behavior in different ways within the United States. In this context, American generation can determine the type of product or service, consumer preference, and pattern in a purchase. For example, the American market can be classified into 7 generations. The mature market includes pre-depression, depression, baby boomer, and younger populations such as Generation X, Y, Z, and Alpha. Each generation exhibits distinct characteristics regarding a purchase. For instance, because of their age, mature market consumers buy product and service related more to provide physical health and mental outlook for older consumers. In contrast, young adult markets such as Generation X are mostly in their parenthood. In that sense, consume products that are related more for a family, while Generation Y or millennials are characterized by a strong sense of independence and autonomy and have more inclination to buy online and use digital devices. While the youngest population, such as Generation S and Alpha, are digital native and have a strong sense of preference to buy the latest technology. On the other hand, social certification is a vital aspect for marketers because it determines the type of product or service more tailored to their social class. So brands can choose a market target according to their income and design product or service more effectively to satisfy their need. So other aspect is about the subculture. A subculture refers a group of people or segment of a larger population that share common characteristics such as values, lifestyle, and pattern of behavior. So how can a detailed understanding of these subcultures can leverage responsibly in consumer marketing and how subculture can be abused for in marketing strategy? A deep understanding of these subcultures can leverage responsibly in consumer marketing. For example, American brands are more aware of the multicultural market that exists in the United States and try to reflect in more inclusive communication strategies. For example, Victoria's Secret now include in their promotional and communication strategy more diverse models and also considering aspects such as race, size, orientation, and cultural background, and not only the blonde, skinny typical model. However, subculture could have contradictory effects when abused in consumer marketing. For instance, as we know, alpha generation are more digital native population, which can be easily victimized by consumers, especially when using social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. To conclude, generational difference and varying levels of social status within the United States impact in consumer behavior, possibly when employed responsible marketing. So that's it. This is my participation of this week.